Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Atto app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Atto is a time tracking app designed for businesses, freelancers, and teams to easily monitor work hours, breaks, and locations. It allows users to clock in and out with one tap, view timesheets in real time, and generate accurate reports for payroll or invoicing. With GPS tracking, team managers can see who's working where, making it ideal for remote or field-based teams. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to onboard new employees. The GPS feature is especially useful for accountability, and the automatic time calculation helps reduce payroll errors. Managers appreciate features like job codes and customizable reports, which make admin work smoother. That said, it's not without drawbacks. Some users report syncing issues when internet is unstable, and a few have mentioned the app logging them out randomly. The free version is limited in features, so many teams may need to upgrade to access full functionality. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Atto is a strong option if you're looking for a simple yet effective time tracking solution. It's particularly good for small businesses and teams on the move. But if your team requires advanced integrations or offline reliability, you might want to explore a few alternatives before committing. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.